5 months from now, you could be $105,722 to $452,433 richer. Because today you'll learn the secret to making 4 of the most rock-solid, potentially profitable trades you'll ever see in the time other traders make only 1. You'll have the power to make 4 times the profit of traditional trend traders in less time, and with 9 layers of confirmation, so your trades are 95 to 98% accurate. That's not hype. It's a documented trading secret, one that you have never seen before and that I'm going to share with you today. If you're tired of losing half your trades or more, if you're tired of blowing up account after account trying to get it right, and if you're ready to learn how you could make 154% profit per month, even if you're a complete beginner, then you're in the right place, as long as you can handle the truth about why you've been losing. There's a 97.5% probability that you've been trading Forex wrong, according to science. It is not your fault. You've been given heaps of lousy guidance on trading that has kept you from succeeding because it ignores the biggest obstacle to success, something we call the wall of noise. Scientists call it something else, and today I'm going to show you how to bust through the static of all that bad advice to make quadruple profits on any setup. Yes, that's what I said. You could make 4 times the money of any trade and do it in 4 simple steps anytime you want. Hi, it's Frank with Tradeology. I've got a lot to give you today, and you're going to love it because I'm handing you secrets we've been keeping locked up. And when I say locked up, I mean literally locked behind huge stone castle walls in an encrypted data cloud vault, hidden near the frozen shores of the North Atlantic for more than a decade. What I'm going to give you today is the ability to trade effectively in any conditions, in any market, with any system, to break through the biggest, hardest brick wall standing between you and your future, to make money like this. That's $1,250 made in one day. We call the internal brick wall that kills most traders the wall of noise. And when I'm done with you today, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to blast through. And that information will not cost you a penny. That's right, I'm going to change the way you trade forever. Right now, today. And it won't cost you 1 red cent. I'm dead serious that you'll be able to change the way you trade with this information, because scientists have known for a decade that most trading systems do not fix this huge problem. An elite group of financial experts have been using this information for years to take cash from the markets at will. You'll learn their secret in this video. So keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to blast that brick wall between you and your fortunes to smithereens, so that you could have almost $500,000 before the end of the year with the power of science. And that is not all I'm going to do for you today, because Tradeology is celebrating our 10-year anniversary, and we're giving you some huge anniversary gifts. One of those gifts takes $500 out of our own pocket and hands it to you. That gift, created by a mysterious mastermind who traded for a decade under the name Mr. X, and with the incredible track record of making 987% profit in a single month of live trading, could be yours at the end of this brief video. Plus, I'm unmasking Mr. X just for you today and giving you the key to his long-time trading success, the key to quadrupling your profit on any setup, on any time frame, in any market session. That gives you the ability to turn a paltry 7-pip profit into 250 pips or more. Remember, a pip can be worth any amount, but let's say it's worth $1. So you could multiply your earnings on a $7 trade to more than $250. In this example, an incredible 280% profit, all on the same setup. You'll want to stick around for that, if nothing else, because you'll not believe who Mr. X is. So here's what you'll get in your 10th anniversary Tradeology goodie bag today. The identity of Mr. X, who created the most accurate trading method you'll ever see, the solution to break through your own financial deadlock and become the successful trader you know you're meant to be. plus the hard science behind the chart-busting secret that could make you $100,000 to $452,000 free. And last but not least, our $500 trading anniversary gift to you. That'll blow your mind with its simplicity and accuracy. It's 95 to 98% accurate on any price action. So hang on, because I'm going to go pretty fast. Because I know you're after the free stuff and you want it right now. Ready? Let's do this. First, I need to tell you about Mr. X. You may remember a story I told you about a group of elite financial minds gathered in a remote European castle with one goal: to collect the most effective and profitable trading knowledge, to develop it, use it to make massive wealth, and keep all to themselves. Well, Mr. X was one of the people gathered in that castle to create and help run the world's most cutthroat trading competition. For years, the traders who met at the castle crowned Forex champions who had created systems that made people very rich. Our Mr. X was one of them, adapting the best of each of the winning systems that came his way. He wanted to get rich from currency trading, sure, and he did. And he knew he had found the key when the winning system from year 6 of the contest blasted everyone else with an astonishing 987% return on investment. Mr. X knew not only could he get rich using this secret, but by marrying this hugely profitable secret to his own expertise, he could help others build perpetual wealth too. Hold on to your seat, because you're not going to believe your eyes when I show you who he is. And you'll realize you've known him and listened to his trading guidance for years, along with more than 250,000 other traders. You may not have believed he was a real person, but I assure you that he is, and is prepared to come forward today because you need the secret he's discovered. Mr. X is none other than the author of the Next Generation Trading Newsletter, Adrian Jones, Esquire. He's been funneling as many of the secrets of the Tradeology inner circle to you as he could for a decade. Why? Because 10 years ago, Adrian was one of the most successful attorneys in the world. Seriously, he'd won more than 1,000 cases with 0 losses. And he had a secret. More than one, actually, and they both apply directly to you right now. The first secret is that although he had never lost a case in court, he was not wealthy, because he kept pouring his money back into helping his less fortunate clients. That was great for them, but terrible for Adrian's bottom line. He began to think about quitting the law. Something had to change, and he knew the moment he saw that system pull in such huge profits that he'd found a way to improve his fortunes for good. A trading formula so unique and effective that it was 98% accurate and had the ability to let any trader, regardless of experience, trade for 4 times the profit that regular indicators offered, all from the same chart setup. And what's more, this never-before-seen system allowed any trader, regardless of experience, to overcome the biggest hurdle to success effortlessly. As they did every year, the traders went around the large table in the castle's great room, collecting all the indicators and winning systems into one encrypted online vault. As Adrian explained the secret he'd uncovered in that winning system and the rock-solid formula he'd decoded behind it, the room fell silent. Everyone there knew they were in the presence of genius. What Adrian called the duality formula had the ability to turn anyone into a professional-level trader with just 4 simple steps. What the duality formula did was to remove virtually every shred of stress from trading. It blasted through the wall of noise because it removed nearly all the decisions from any trade. His Forex Duality system does not trade for you. It is not a trade assistant or a robot. It is a fully mechanical system of specialized indicators that you have never seen before. That makes trading so simple, you can take 4 trades in 4 simple steps and in 4 different modes for 4 times the profit of traditional trend trading systems. You have never seen most of Adrian's secret indicators because until this moment, no one outside of the Castle Group has ever seen them. No joke. You cannot find the duality indicators online. They have never been made publicly available. And Adrian is only revealing them in this video for one very specific reason. Because he has solved the biggest problem in trading. Yes, really. You see, there's a reason the world's most successful traders freely share their secrets. because they know that almost no one can replicate their success. It's not because it's all that hard to mechanically trade. In fact, the mechanics of trading are quite simple. However, those successful guys all have one thing in common, something virtually no home trader could ever have. The guys who trade for decades with track records of millions in earnings have perfected the science of removing decision fatigue from their trading. Decision fatigue is the hard science behind the wall of noise that stops most traders in their tracks. It leads to terrible decisions, bad trades, and more blown accounts than any other factor. We invest and trade like idiots when we engage the wrong information processing system in our real-time decision making. That idiot factor that we call noise is what is scientifically called decision fatigue. And it's where you use wrong decision-making systems to make time-sensitive decisions and are often wrong. We make hundreds of tiny decisions every day, from what time we get out of bed to what to have for dinner. We're so used to making those decisions, we fail to realize that each one uses precious time and energy. Energy our brains cannot replenish. So that by the end of the day, ordering pizza sounds a lot easier than cooking a healthy dinner. And zoning out to the TV is a lot more attractive than talking to your spouse for an hour. Your brain is too tired to make reasonable decisions. Now, imagine at the end of the day, you've already emptied out your decision tank. And now you need to make logical, unemotional, and concise trading decisions. Oh, and you need to make those decisions in a split second. You can see where I'm going with this, right? Our fast processing is fast because it takes shortcuts and operates by well-worn rules. This introduces efficiency, which is very helpful when we need to act quickly in a life-threatening situation. It also introduces biases into decision-making as we personalize markets and respond to losing trades with anger, placing subsequent trades out of a desire for revenge. Decision fatigue is proven hard science and has ruined more trading careers than anyone cares to admit. Dr. Roy F. Baumeister identified the phenomenon of decision fatigue as part of a specific decision-making pattern called the Rubicon. No matter whether you're choosing your tie or if you want fries with that, your brain is becoming more fatigued with every decision, which means more noise is building up in your head. Is it any wonder that when you sit down to trade that you make bad choices? The problem here isn't you, it's the stress of decision fatigue. And Adrian Jones figured out how to eliminate decision fatigue from your trading. With the highly guarded proprietary indicators that simplify trend trading for anyone, and he calls it Forex Duality. Forex Duality takes constant measurements, doing hundreds of complex calculations to provide trade signals that are significantly more accurate than almost any standard indicators you have ever seen. You'll not see this suite of proprietary indicators anywhere else in the world. This is brand new science, expanded mathematical principles forged into a weapon of massive wealth-building power. In fact, once this system becomes available, most pros will be scratching their heads trying to figure out how he did it. We're not going to tell them. We are going to tell you right now. So keep watching, because whether you're a seasoned currency trader or think Forex is a brand of toothpaste, I am about to blow your mind and show you how easily you could make income like this. 1,274.96% profit in just 10 days. Consistently, securely, at 4 different levels at the same time to explode your income beyond the norm and create a wealth pipeline. A pipeline capable of putting as much as $452,433 in your account in under 6 months. Stick with me for a few more minutes, and I'll prove that this is not only possible, it is already being done. A word of warning before we continue. If you're looking for a trading robot, a trade assistant, or a black box system, if you want something that trades for you instead of making you the best trader you can be, then stop this video right now. It is not for you. You won't hear me boast about making millions in months or about 3,000% profit margins. But I can tell you that Forex Duality is making 154% per month in profit for some traders, and won the world's most cutthroat trading contest with a massive 987% profit. and made Adrian a whopping 1,254% return on investment in under 2 months. You will learn how you can remove the biggest roadblock to being a successful trader, and how once you have removed decision fatigue, you can start writing your own ticket with the ability to consistently make trades like this, and this, and this. I'll get to the specifics of how Forex Duality works in a second, because I want you to see for yourself how Adrian and Tradeology have changed people's trading and their lives.
Hi, my name's Alan Northcott, and I've written quite a few books about trading and technical analysis. And it's only when I discovered Forex that it really comes to make a lot of sense. Forex is so much better than other sorts of trading. You don't get commissions charged. The market's open whenever you want to get up out of your bed and trade on it. This 24-hour thing, and also, unlike stocks and shares, it's so easy to go short because basically you're just placing a trade in the opposite direction. You're not having to worry about whether your broker's going to cover a short or call the shares in. There's only a few products that you have to understand. There's only so many currency pairs. It's not like the thousands of shares that you have to research on the New York Stock Exchange, for example. And of course, the best thing of Forex is the extreme leverage you can get, like 100 to 1, so you can really make your money work for you. You do have to take care to make sure that you study all the best ways to do it and develop a trading plan, but once you've done that, you do have tremendous power from your money, say typically 100 to 1, to make yourself big profits.
Hi, my name is Marty Kings. Welcome to our homestead in southeast Wales. I live here with my wife Pam, our 2 horses, 3 ponies and 5 dogs. Winding the clock forward to 2009, this was the year I became aware of trading the foreign currency markets, so started my apprenticeship to become a Forex trader. And if you are serious about being a trader, whether it's part-time or full-time, then take my advice. And that is, providing you're prepared to put the effort and work into your trading. So it's your move next. Good luck.
Hi, my name's Elayne, and I just want to tell you why Forex is such a positive influence in my life. About 10 years ago, I was watching somebody put little bars on charts, and I asked him about it, and he explained, and somewhere inside me it lit a fire that has continued to burn to this day. Forex for me is an absolute passion. I'm totally determined to succeed. I realise that my ego is not the solution. I have to put that on one side, stop turning my screen upside down to see positive pips, and actually stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Now I'm following a system that I really like. I'm starting to see some success. I'm journaling, I'm focused, I concentrate, I plan my trades, I trade my plan. I'm consistent much more, and I'm definitely persistent. One thing that is in my favour is my stubbornness in this particular case. So I just see my future as being a world-class trading star, using my laptop as my ATM, taking my young son travelling around the world and helping out wherever we can. I'm just so excited. I'm excited about my future. I'm excited about being able to get a good education for my son. I'm excited about the humanitarian side that being successful in Forex will bring. In fact, the whole thing of Forex, it supports my spiritual side, because every single lesson I learn is a life skill that I need to embrace. And I do embrace all these skills now. I love the fact that there's no alarm clock going off. I have no boss. I have no workplace. There's no workplace politics. Everything about Forex just fits me well.
I could show you hours of footage of people just like you raving about what trading Forex with Tradeology has meant to them. More than 20,000 traders in 10 years have learned to trade with Tradeology. But I don't want to waste your time or mine. So here's the lowdown on how Forex Duality works. These are the duality lines. At first glance, you may think they look like something you've seen before, but the duality lines are something far more accurate and profitable than any indicator you've used before. They are the visual orientation of a complex mathematical formula, updating itself constantly to provide you with the most accurate bias trading information available. No more fake outs, no more crashed trades. The duality lines are a brand new indicator never before seen outside the castle until today, and they aren't the only brand new customized tools in Forex Duality. In fact, there are 4 brand new indicators in Adrian's groundbreaking system, all working together to provide you with outstanding, accurate signals and incredible real-time market data. Because here's another truth Adrian hit us with. You can't make money when the market is in consolidation. And the market is in consolidation about 70% of the time. So not only are you dealing with regular decision fatigue when you trade, you're trying to pull a rabbit out of an empty hat 70% of the time. So he figured out how to fix that too, using a combination of known science and expanded mathematical principles to show you where the market is contracting, where it is expanding, and allows you to instantly confirm your trade on 2 of the next higher time frames on the same chart. No losing precious time switching tabs, for a total of 9 distinct levels of trade confirmation in one dashboard. That's right, Adrian took that winning system and made it virtually fail-proof by requiring 9 separate confirmations on any signal before giving you the green light to take a trade. It also confirms which way to trade the action, up to 4 positions per setup for maximum profitability. So you could take 3 long buy positions with 1 short sell position, or go all in long or short, or any combination you like. It allows you to maximize your profitability and slash your risk to virtually nothing. Imagine what your trading account would look like if you had 75% more opportunity for profit on any setup. Because that's what Forex Duality gives you. And you can trade Forex Duality in 4 different modes: the conservative sniper mode, the Excalibur mode, the guerrilla mode, and the super aggressive blitzkrieg mode. Each one tailored to specific trading styles and flexible enough for any market conditions. And the craziest part is that you can do all of that in just 4 simple steps. The sniper trade is the most conservative position, guarding your investment in the most uncertain times. And you can trade as aggressively as you want all the way up to the blitzkrieg trade. That takes the training wheels off to make the most money possible from the system in the shortest amount of time. And the astonishing fact is that no matter what way you prefer to trade, no matter your risk profile, you can take 4 targeted positions on any setup. And with a perfectly pre-calculated system to trail your stop loss and 95 to 98% accuracy. Imagine what that could do for your bottom line. You could make 4 profitable trades in the time most traders barely make 1. And with the proven ability to make more than 150% to as much as 987% profit per month, look how fast your account could grow. At 154% per month, you could explode a small $1,000 stake into 6-figure territory in as little as 5 months. And at 987%, the documented winning return on investment for this system in live trading, you would turn your $1,000 into almost $500,000. This is why during the live trading competition, Forex Duality scorched all the other systems, with an astonishing 987% profit in live trading. Am I saying you'll make almost 1,000% per month in your trading? Of course not. I'm saying that it's almost certain you will make more money and more consistent profit than you have ever before, because the mechanics of the system are designed to do that for you. And that's why when word got out that this chart-busting super system might be released, financial publications all over the world went nuts. 126 news outlets have run with the story of the release of Forex Duality, and we only just announced it. And that is why it's so important that you're getting this information and your anniversary gift today. Because we're not done piling up the anniversary swag. Remember I told you that we're giving you a $500 gift just for watching this video? I might have fudged the numbers just a little. We're really giving you thousands from our own pockets. Thousands. Keep watching and I'll explain. The truth is that Forex Duality is worth thousands all on its own. With the duality lines and the other 3 unique custom indicators that are so valuable I'm not even allowed to show them to you here, are worth at least $1,000. and the state-of-the-art dashboard with 9 levels of confirmation in one place so you never lose another second of profitable trade time is worth another $1,000 on its own. And the specialized suite of additional indicators that allow you to take those 4 profitable positions on any setup could easily set you back another $500. That's a total of $2,500 just for the software and manual, all as instant digital downloads so you can get started immediately. And you also get Adrian's live trading education, where he shows you exactly how he trades Forex Duality for those enormous trades. Adrian's per hour cost is huge, but for the sake of argument, let's call it $2,500, which means we could easily sell Forex Duality for $5,000 by itself. But you won't pay $5,000 or even $2,500. Normally, we'd give the system to you for our standard price of $999, which is an insane 80% discount. But we're doing even better. For our giant 10th anniversary celebration, you can own Forex Duality for the insanely low price of just $499. And if that was everything, you'd be making out like a bandit. But like I said, I fudged the numbers. We are actually giving you a special 10th anniversary trading swag bag with a $10,000 price tag. Let me explain. When you join Forex Duality, you don't just get one system, even though this system is groundbreaking and hugely profitable. And yes, you have the unique opportunity to join one of the best traders in the world to train with him directly for no additional cost. And just for this special anniversary celebration, when you get Forex Duality, you get 9 more individual trading systems with it for free. See what we did there? 10 years, 10 trading system gifts for you. The Forex Market Code system, this was one of the most sought-after systems we've ever had for beginners. Sleek, simple, and hugely profitable, a $250 value. Hidden Money Levels by our good friend Toshko Raychev, 3-time World Trading Competition champion, a $250 value. The astonishing Elliott Wave Profit that breaks the hard science of wave counts down to simple by-the-numbers trades, a $500 value. Russ Horn's incredible 5-0 vector system, complete with full video tutorials, a $250 value. The super easy scientific method, the double helix, a $250 value. The Cogmaster strategy, the secret system that blew everything out of the water the year it won with a 100.27% return on investment in live trading, a $500 value. And a suite of 3 of the most popular and profitable systems we've ever produced: Forex Equinox, Forex Wealth Strategy, and the impressive Master Method Evolution. Each of these professional level trading systems sold out at $997 each. You get all of these additional systems free. That's an additional $5,800 in rock solid, proven trading methods that anyone can use. And believe it or not, I'm not done with the goodies yet. You also receive a bonus trading meditation video to help you center, remain calm, and focus your decision-fatigued brain before you trade. An additional $100 value. And one other incredible tool, the Forex Line Trader. Forex Line Trader gives you breathing room and peace of mind that you won't miss a trade or lose money because you got distracted for a minute. It is super valuable for any trend trader. That's a ridiculous 9 systems in addition to Forex Duality and 2 premium bonuses, for a total of 10 systems and 2 premiums. Keep watching, because if you think you're excited now, you ain't seen nothing yet. The Forex Duality system was perfected over the last decade of trading, making thousands of dollars a day for Adrian's trading team. And each of the system premiums we're including in the Forex swag bag has made tens and even hundreds of thousands in trades for people just like you. No matter what corner of the world they're in or what their day jobs are, these traders all have one thing in common. They have all successfully traded with Tradeology systems over the last decade, and thank us for their success. Most of these traders used one or more of the systems you will receive today for free. Lots of companies claim to backtest their systems, but with these 10th anniversary premium gifts and Forex Duality, you get years and years of live testing from traders of all backgrounds and experience levels. And they all have one thing in common. They all made money with our systems. So you know that our trading software not only works, it makes new traders money and makes experienced traders lots of money. Not with gimmicks or false promises, but with solid mechanical trading fundamentals and the training to use them to build wealth. So to recap, here's a quick rundown of everything you get in Forex Duality. 4 never-before-seen custom indicators, a suite of supporting indicators for instant higher time frame confirmation without switching charts, Forex training and trade coaching with Adrian Jones, the full-color manual, example trades, video lessons, and more. And our superior live trading and technical support. A whopping $5,000 in the most accurate and profitable trading system we've ever devised. All for just $499. And with all the 10th anniversary premium gifts, the Forex Market Code System, a $250 value, Hidden Money Levels, a $250 value, Elliott Wave Profit, a $500 value, FIBO Vector System, a $250 value, the Double Helix, a $250 value, Forex Profit Matrix, a $500 value, Forex Equinox, a $997 value, Forex Master Levels, a $997 value, Master Method Evolution, a $997 value, Trading Meditation Tool, a $100 value, Forex Line Tool, a $100 value. An astonishing $10,000 in systems, training, and support for only $499. And that's not a yearly fee. It's a one-time payment. Just $499 gets you 10 systems, a valuable trading education with Adrian, both premium tools, and our full technical and trading support. Go ahead and click the Add to Cart button to start your download process now. Warning: Adrian has never made himself available to the public before, and he has pledged to keep his training small and personal so you get as much from it as you need. That means he's only accepting 300 traders total to be a part of Forex Duality, which means we're only handing out our 10th anniversary trading swag to the first 300 people who purchase Forex Duality. Look, there are no do-overs in life or in trading. Whatever your trading record was up till now is the past. What you have in front of you right now is a fresh start with a decade's worth of proven, profitable, and easy-to-use tools. So you don't need a do-over. You just need to get started on the next phase, the most profitable phase of your trading career and your life right now. So click the big button that says Add to Cart right now. Thanks for watching.